Alright, you guys. I've been waiting on these pipes for about a month now. Actually, a little over a month. I just got them on Vance and Hines Twin Slash Slip-Ons for the new Milwaukee 8 motors, Street Bob. And I'm about to start it up for the first time. These do have the Vance and Hines competition baffles in them. I didn't get a video with the stock baffles in because I just didn't want to do all the work as far as starting it up and then taking it apart again, putting the new baffles in. So this is what it sounds like.